Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best currently available adult app to your Firestick or Android TV. It does not require any registration, phone number, email address, nothing like that. It's totally free to download and watch, which is of course important for us, the users. And there are a couple of additional features which make it best of class. This totally new app has millions of movies inside, which you can watch easily without a need to use a mouse toggle, because the app got a great interface and it is super easy to use. There are no intrusive ads because the app features a unique privacy hub, which offers you a fully incognito mode, which ensures that there are no tracking or cookies, unlike other adult applications. And it also got a great spam protection, which restricts unwanted redirects or prevents unwanted download, therefore maintaining safety of your Fire Stick. And if that sounds great for you, let me show you how to get this app to your device. First of all, you have to get an application called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store or from Google Play Store, depending on what device you are using. So just go to search, here it is, and there in the search bar we gotta start typing Downloader. As you can see, it already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. We click on Downloader right here, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings. So here we are, we gotta click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. We open it, and here we'll have to enable developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's pretty easy to make them appear. We have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now we have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then we go to install unknown apps, and here we have to turn that option on for Downloader. What it does, it's going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Now let's go to the list of apps on our device. Here it is, let's open it. And there's the Downloader, which we just installed to the Fire Stick. By the way, when downloading something from the internet, I recommend using a VPN to stay safe and private online. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're fast and great, and if you don't have a VPN yet, you can follow the link in the pinned comment to get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then, after get a VPN connected, we can safely open Downloader. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important, and then here you'll see a search bar in which we'll be typing a link. So let's open the search bar, and in a moment you see the exact link on your screen. So here's the link on the screen, make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because if you make a mistake, obviously the link is not going to open for you. After that, you gotta click on Go, let's do it, and in a couple of moments the download should start for you. As you can see, it happens really fast. Now we gotta click on Install right here, and just wait for a couple of seconds until the application gets installed to our Fire Stick. And now when we have finally installed the application, do not press on open yet, though I do understand that you may be tempted to open the app straight away. However, I always recommend you to delete the installation file first, not to clog the memory of your Fire Stick. So to do so, we gotta click on Done right here, and then delete and delete once again. This way we are deleting the unnecessary installation files from the Fire Stick. Now let's go to the list of apps on our device, so let's go. Go to the list of applications, here it is, and when you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see this new adult app which we just installed to the Fire Stick. I had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but in your case, of course, the logo is not going to be blurry. When you open the app, obviously you have to accept the terms of use, so click on Accept at the bottom. And now in the app itself, you'll find millions of movies of all kinds. On the left side of the app, you'll be able to browse through all the categories. There are lots of them, and by the way, you can create your own categories, and let me show you how to do it. So at the very top of the app, in the right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Let's click on them, and then press on Add a Category. And in here, the app basically allows you to create any custom and unique category that you may be interested in. Let's say you are interested in redhead people, so we just enter redhead. Just like that. Then press on Add Category at the bottom. Click OK. And then when you go back to the home page of the app, you'll see that your new unique category has appeared on the left side. Here's the redhead, as I mentioned. And from now on, it's totally up to you which categories to add. Maybe you are interested in Star Wars cosplay? If you do, well, just enter the category and it will appear in the app. And honestly, I'm not aware of any other similar application which would have an option to create unique categories. So I definitely recommend you to check this feature out. I'm pretty sure you will like it. And basically that's it. That's the easiest way to get this amazing cutout app to your Firestick or Android TV. Hope the video was helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.